Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is Ikigai, that is the secret to a long and happy life. Now this becomes the secret to longevity. There are blue zones in this world, and in these blue zones, these towns and villages, there are a large number of people who are above the age of 100 years. So what is it that they are doing so differently which keeps them joyful, active, even though they are more than 100 years of age? We'll know in this video. They follow their Ikigai, that is their purpose in life, that is they have discovered what makes them truly happy. They have connected with their authentic self, the reason why they are alive, the reason why they are here. And you cannot create your Ikigai. It will be different for different individuals. It can be something really simplistic. For me, like taking care of your family, taking care of your children, that's it. Or it can be a big passion, a big dream that you would like to follow and pursue in your life. So you have to discover your Ikigai over a period of time by doing different things and then connecting with one such thing which truly gives you happiness and inner joy. And this is what these people have discovered actually. They enjoy a lot of vitality and they never look old. They enjoy youthful looks throughout their lives. They are ever joyful, playful, and they take care of their health by embracing healthy habits. There is a fruit which is very rich in vitamin C, and this fruit is found in Japan. It is known as the shikuwaza fruit, which is very rich in minerals and vitamin C. They have the juice of this fruit, then they have green tea, they have a lot of community activities. They keep working throughout their lives and doing something they love to do. They are very playful. Festivals are given a lot of importance in these places, and the climate is beautiful. It is like Hawaii-like climate, and these are some reasons why they enjoy this kind of vitality and energy even at the age of more than 100 years. Now we will look into other aspects which keep them so young and joyful over the age of 100 years. Some other places which are included in the world's blue zones are Sardinia in Italy and Loma Linda in California. Now these people who are above the age of 100 years, according to them, they are very aware of how they are leading their lives every day. And they keep active, they go for a walk every day, they do a lot of gardening, they connect with nature, they have a lot of green tea, they have natural fruits and vegetables, more of green vegetables. They have food in moderation so that they never feel too full, and they connect with like-minded people, doing a lot of community service and enjoying festivals. Now, what aids in aging? Well, stress is the number one factor that aids in aging. So you have to be resilient enough to overcome the difficult situations in your life. You cannot become a part of the problem and look for the solution. So all you have to do is become a witness of the problem from a distance and just observe the problem. And now you have to divide these problems into whether you can control these problems or not. If you feel they are not under your control, let them be. Let the Almighty, let the universe control them and solve these problems. Otherwise, you can just break these problems into smaller problems which you can solve. So that is how you have to become resilient, and your circumstances can never become too big. It is all how you think about those circumstances. So it is like your problems never be greater than your God. And so it is our thoughts that make any circumstance, any problem big too big for us to handle or something which we can take care of. So it all comes down to self-belief and trust and faith in the universe and in the Almighty. Another thing is, sleep has been underrated. Now, if you do not sleep for more than 9 hours every night, what happens is, including short nap during the day, it will leave you tired and not active enough to do your work with full concentration. Yet another factor is multitasking, which is an absolute farce. Do one thing at a time and do it with absolute concentration and put a lot of love in your work. Then we also can have sedentary lifestyles depending on what we are doing in our offices. So we have to take care that after every half an hour we go out and take a walk and move our body, physical body, do some simple exercises and then come back to our office. So that is how you take care of yourself, and all these points have come from none other than those individuals who are above the age of 100 years and they are fine and really joyful. Osteoporosis, hypertension, obesity are all caused because of this sedentary lifestyle. So get up and get going. That is, go for a walk, climb up the stairs, be more playful, learn a sport, anything, but stay active. Yet another thing is that you have to take care of your daily habits. Don't have too much of alcohol and tobacco and caffeine, and go in for fresh juices, fresh vegetables and fruits. So your plate must have different colors of fruits and vegetables. That is what will be known as balanced diet. So have your breakfast, lunch and dinner in time. Yet another factor is your attitude towards life. That is, what is your attitude towards the problems you face in your life? If it is a positive attitude, you will align with prayer rather than worry. You'll imagine more, you'll imagine a better life, and you will have this self-belief and trust and faith that you can overcome any challenge in your life. And also it depends on how you see those challenges. Now, when life throws a lemon at you, do you make a lemonade out of it or do you succumb to these problems? So it all depends on your attitude and how you take care of your emotions at any given time when things are not going on well. So you have to train your mind to think positive, to believe in yourself, your abilities. Yes, sometimes the problems may really feel fierce, and that is the time when you should understand that these may be whispers from the universe to change your direction, change the place, or make a few changes in your life, whatever they may be. So you can take the signs from the universe and garner the willpower to make those required changes in your life, to take your life into a different direction, a positive direction. So though you fall down, you rise up again, you get up again and keep going. So many people complain of feeling lonely and very empty inside. Now, why is it so? This is because they have still not found their ikigai, their purpose in life, that one thing they love to do in life. And there is no age for discovering your ikigai. You can discover your ikigai anytime in life at any age. It doesn't matter. All that matters is that you discover it at some point in time and you experience that immense joy and satisfaction and peace that comes from living your life for something. Have you seen that whenever you do something you love to do, you do not hurry and you want to do it very well? You don't understand when time has passed because that doesn't matter. You are so involved in the process. You do it with a lot of love and concentration and you are so much in the flow. However, when you do something you detest, you just do not enjoy doing it, you want to hurry up with it, you don't bother about the output, and you are a problem for others also because you are causing them discomfort by not doing your work properly. So that is the difference it makes when you do something with love, with concentration, with your heart into it, doing what you love. It makes a lot of difference, and this is your ikigai, which you must discover in life. Now just imagine if in your life you keep doing only that which you love doing the most, your life will be so different. You have discovered your ikigai and you are engrossed doing only something you love to do. Now this is not work, it is play. And you won't retire from this work, you'll just keep doing it. You will want to know more and more about it, mastering that art or skill and loving it so much. That is why they say that it is not what you achieve, it is how much you have been in the flow. How long you have been in the flow is all that matters. This is what brings peace and satisfaction and inner joy. Okay, so here are a few ways in which we can enjoy a very joyful and long life. Green tea is good for your health. Eat less than what would make you feel too full. Don't worry and smile more. Open your heart to people. Have more fun. Connect with nature, for example by gardening. Go for a walk every day. Keep busy doing something you love. Use your fingers to create something, or you can go in for learning a new sport or a new musical instrument. Get up early and do some exercise or dance. Eat more healthy green vegetables and fruits. Be in the company of people you love. Slow down and relax more. Don't be in a hurry all the time. Sleep for at least 9 hours every night, including a short nap during the day. Do one thing at a time. Multitasking is a farce. Give thanks for your little blessings every day and share your blessings with others around you. Discover your ikigai, that is that one thing you have passion for. Consume less sugar and salt and eat a balanced diet with lots of green vegetables and fruits. People in Okinawa have shikuasa juice, which is a citrus fruit very rich in vitamin C, B1 and minerals. And we can substitute this citrus fruit with lemon juice also because it helps us build our immune system. Apart from this, they also practice Surya Namaskar and breathing exercises. As we connect with our breath and as we start taking deeper breaths, our awareness of our breath increases. We experience lot of well-being. The Japanese people also practice shiatsu, which helps them live physically really healthy. They also go in for Tai Chi, which helps them balance the 5 elements in the body. And then there is the Qi Kung, that is, Qi is life-giving energy or force and Kung is work. So energy work, which helps in the free flow of energy throughout the 7 chakras in our body. So this is how they take out time for self-love and self-care, and we must learn to do these simple breathing exercises, go in for Surya Namaskar and build our immune system and take care of our mental and physical health. And this includes aligning yourself with your ikigai also, that is your passion as you live your life fruitfully. You already know that life won't be perfect all the time. So there'll be setbacks, there'll be ups and downs in life. All you have to do is be resilient and have faith in your own abilities and in the Almighty, and embrace yourself as you are. Don't worry thinking about the past or future, because all you are creating your life is in the now. All you have is this now, because this now, this moment will never return. This same moment will never come back again in your life. So why not savor this moment, live it to the fullest, and live it happily and in gratitude. So live in the now and embrace yourself, because you are already whole, you are limitless. You are how you think, you are what you think. Think big and think that the universe is always working for you, making all your dreams come true. So believe in your own limitless powers and in the universe. Imagine more, connect with your intuition. You have to be thankful for all the setbacks in your life, because they have carved you into who you have become today. And you are imperfectly perfect. That is another Japanese term, which is wabi sabi. So accept yourself and don't be too harsh and hard on yourself. Be kind to yourself also. Accept yourself with your shortcomings and keep improving. So every change must come after you accept fully who you are. Now keep changing. Now make these a way for your further growth. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. You learned something from this video. Let me know in the comment section below how you liked this video. Do remember to subscribe to this video. We'll meet again in our next video. Thank you so much. I love you. I send you my love and blessings. Namaste.